So this question says P equals 215 times 1.005 to the t-thirds power. The question goes on to say the equation above can be used to model the population in thousands of a certain city t years after 2000. According to the model, the population is predicted to increase by 0.5% every n months, right? So we don't know how many months it takes for this 0.5% increase. What is the value of n? All right, so I don't see an n in the equation, so it's not, I can't just like plug in my answers here. I do see this 1.005, so 0.5% as a decimal is the same as 0.005. You just move the decimal to the left twice. 0.005. So 1.005 represents a 0.5% increase, which is exactly what this says. So that tells me that if my population equation is equal to 215 times 1.005 to the t-thirds power, and I would want to know, well, what does t have to be in order to accomplish that 0.5% increase? T would have to be 3. How do I know that? Well, because if t is 3, then I'd have this equation. P equals 215 times 1.005 to the first power. 1.005 to the first power just gives me that 1.005 multiplied by my 215. And that will give me a population that's 0.5% higher than the 215 starting point. So every 3 years, basically is what this is telling me. Every 3 years, we get a 0.5% increase. So t is 3. If t equals 3, what does n equal? Well, n represents the number of months. I know that there are 12 months in every year. So if t is 3 years, that means n must be 3 times 12, which is 36. So every 36 months, I'll have a 0.5% increase in the population. So choice D must be the correct answer here.